Hello everyone, today I have acoustic panels. It comes with a set of 4. You can use it in your living room, in your bedroom, in some other stuff. It's a perfect purchase for acoustic space in your room. You can easily glue it on the wall or just screw it on the wall. It's very simple. It's not take too much space. I think it's a good opportunity for create your space refresh new. It's made with a high quality material. It's very durable to the skin. It looks very modern. I think it's a must have in every houses, and I'm highly recommend this. You will